Hey y'all, how are you? I hope everybody is doing okay. This is Ms. Ortiz. Just doing a quick check-in. I'm kind of going to go through like a rundown of what you guys are going to be assigned this week. So I know it's crazy. I know it's something new for all of us. It's new for me too. So if you have any questions, just kind of refer back to this video. But I'll also tell you how you can also reach me. So next week, it's going to be the week of March 20th through the 26th. I consider it this Friday. So today is Thursday. I'm recording this video a day before. But tomorrow on Friday, March 20th, I will begin to post all your assignments on Google Classroom. So first off, make sure everybody has that code for your correct classroom. Reach out to me if you don't. I'll get those to you. So this will also be posted on there as a little reminder. So next week we are going to begin, or should I say continue, because we did this before break. So it's composite area. We didn't really want to throw something new at you just yet. So we're going to do a little bit of review. So your first assignment is going to be Imagine Math. I went ahead and went into Imagine Math and I cleared out all of your pathways so that this should be the only one that you see, with the exception of the Texas 7 pathway. So the one that you're going to be doing is a distance learning 7th area. And then after completing your Imagine Math pathway, now remember, if the pathway is still there on your home screen, that means you have not completed it. So once you complete it, it's when it goes away. So that'll help you know when you're done it or not. And then your second assignment is a quick little extension. It's a real world composite figure, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. And then next week, be on the lookout for a volume lesson. So we're going to begin talking about volume. Now, with all of your assignments, guys, you're going to have a week to do it. So I'll post it tomorrow. Every week it'll be posted by 4 p.m. I'll try to post it earlier. And then they'll be due the following week on Friday, also by 4 p.m. So you'll have a week to do it. And then I will have tutoring sessions. So Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, we'll be able to kind of do face-to-face with like a video conferencing. But then there's other forms that you can also reach out to me. So I'll show you the guys those in a minute. So for Imagine Math, like I said, I cleared out your pathway. So you should only have these two listed on your home screen. And you are to be working on the distance learning, the 7th area. Your login information is the same. So it's your 6-digit ID for your username, 6-digit ID for your password, and then your site code, because you're working from home, is listed right here. It's 4808090. Now on Imagine Math, guys, I went ahead and added back the calculator, just as giving us like a little extra advantage of a tool. And I want to show you guys a couple things. So on Imagine Math, when you're working on your guided learning, guys, there's this little button over here that's the math help. It's right above the tools and your references. If you were to click on that, guys, it gives you 2 helps. So it'll give you the first help, which will kind of explain to you, okay, well, this is how you decompose this figure. Let's split it up. It'll give you a second help. And then if we still don't get it and we really, really need some more help, there's an Imagine Math teacher. Now, those are actual teachers, guys, that will help you. Please be respectful. Those are teachers that you are communicating with. And if at any point there is a disrespectful comment being made to those teachers, I will be made aware. So please do not do that. And then if we really just can't figure it out, guys, snap a picture of it, because unfortunately I can't see exactly what you're working on unless you snap a picture out of it, and then email it me. Send it to me through Remind, or wait for the video conferencing and we can talk about the problem. So the next activity that you guys have for next week is the real life composite figure. So what you're going to do is you're going to go around your neighborhood or your house. It could be an object you see inside of your house, outside. It really doesn't matter. But we just want to have a little conversation. So for example, me, I just went ahead and picked up one of my earrings and I said, well, if I wanted to find the area of this whole earring, I would have to see a square right here. And then this bottom part, I can divide that up into, or decompose it into 2 triangles. So then I would add everything up for a composite figure. Now for this assignment, guys, you don't actually have to find the area. You can if you want to. But I just want you to tell me, what are the formulas? How am I going to be using those to find the total area if I was going to do so. And then definitely let me know the shapes that you guys see. I'll have an assignment on Google Classroom so you guys can upload those pictures to me and kind of have a little quick discussion with me, and we'll talk about that more when you turn those in. So far, guys, you have Imagine Math, this assignment, and then that's it for this week. If you guys have any questions or you guys just want to contact me for any reason, please feel free to reach out to me. I do have my normal work hours from 8:30 to 4, so you can always reach out to me through Remind, through Google Classroom, or by email. And then on Mondays and Wednesdays from 1 to 2 p.m., I'll have a video conferencing. So you guys will be able to see each other face to face. If you guys have like a device or a computer that we can do that through, then that'd be awesome. I'll send those links every day at that time, a little bit before that time, through Google Classroom. So make sure you're logged in. And then on Fridays, I can also do video conferences by request, so from 1 to 4. So just shoot me a message, say like, hey, Ms. Ortiz, I really don't understand this. Can we please conference? And we'll set up a video conference. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you this week. Imagine Math, the area pathway, and then the picture of your composite figure. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me through email, Remind, or Google Classroom. I am learning with you guys, and I hope that everybody's okay. I'll see you guys very soon.